Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Mariah. If you're not new here, what's up? So it is Saturday, January 25th, right? No, January 24th, and we are preparing for Snowmageddon 2026 in Pittsburgh. I woke up this morning and my pipes are frozen. Yay. So we've already started. I'm trying to just like heat up the room and hopefully like, you know, the pipes will unfreeze. But that's where we're at right now. I've missed you guys. I've missed vlogging. Like, I'm excited to get back into the swing of things. Oh, also, so I was trying to heat up the pipes. I was using my blow dryer like they said on Google, and then I blew a fuse in the kitchen. So now I have no power in the kitchen also. The refrigerator's off, the lights are off, can't plug anything in. And yes, my Saturday morning is going swimmingly, if I do say so myself. My sister and I wanted to try to get together before, I think the bad weather is really supposed to kick in this evening. So my sister and I are trying to get together before that happens. I'm hoping for the best. I love the snow, so I'm here for the snow. So, I don't know, guys. My camera's dying. I'm gonna charge my camera. I'm gonna charge my laptop. I guess I should make sure my phone's charged just in case we don't have any power. Because like I said, I don't have any generators. I don't have any charge. I don't have anything. So... You got here. It's a Korean barbecue with my sister, and it's so cold. It was a journey. But I'm so excited to experience this food and have this experience with her. It's gonna be amazing. I'm freezing. I got my little like skis on. Guys, it's so cold. My sister and I just finished our hot pot. We got ice cream. I'm not eating it because I'm trying to save it until I get home so that the kids can have some. Oh, look, Cheesecake Factory's right here. And there's pins and stuff. It's like everybody's trying to have their last little outing before the blizzard and stuff comes into effect. So I am just super excited to get home. So I'll talk to you guys when I get home. Oh my goodness, it's so cold. Hi. You guys, I'm literally here for tequila. And that's about it. This is exactly what I want. This is like, obviously I don't know if it's the most authentic, but this is what I get. It's so good. Hey guys, I don't know if I've talked to you since I got home, but it is currently 9 o'clock. I've already gardened, so you know I'm a little spacey at the moment, but we just have a few snacks on the table. We have water and stuff down below. We cooked a few things in the air fryer for dinner. I'm eating a little bag of chips right now. And just winding down with the kids. Eris is sleeping. Ezra is still up. So hopefully he'll go to bed sometime soon. I'm just gonna make like one last charcuterie board before like the snow and stuff. So if I do make one, then I'll touch base with you guys again. But if not, good night. Guys, a quick little debrief before I put my jammies on and get in the bed. I'm just gonna take my makeup off. My sister and I had so much fun at Top Pot. If you haven't been to Top Pot yet in Pittsburgh, it's in the south side, like super close to the Cheesecake Factory, if you know where that is. It was so good. I was talking to my sister, like, I think the reason why, you know, it tastes so good and why obviously like it tastes so fresh is you're literally doing everything right there on the table. So like you can eat it as hot as you want, you can eat it as cold as you want, you can eat it as spicy as you want, you can eat it with whatever sauce. Like, oh my goodness, it was so good. Like so good. Also, I wanted to say I was very impressed with just how good my hair looked for dinner. I didn't like style it crazy or literally anything. It's just a leftover blow dry from the other night, and I just twisted the pieces back and took out some of my edges. But I don't know, I just feel so cute. I like it. So this is everything that came off on my makeup wipe. This is all that I have left of my micellar water. And I didn't re-up or anything at all before this huge snowstorm. I've had this for so long. It's probably not even good that I'm using it on my face. You know, what if I don't have running water in the morning? Just scrub my face real quick. I'm still using the Volcanic BHA Pore Cleanser. Oh my goodness. Oh, honestly, it felt so good. I don't think I'm ready for this, like, for anything but the snow. Like, I literally just want it to snow so beautifully. And for everybody to just stay home and spend time with their family. That's literally all I want. My sister and I really had such a good time. I'm really hoping that it'll just look so beautiful when we get up in the morning. I'm praying that we still have power. I don't know if this happens to you guys, but I always have an eyelash on my glasses. Talk to you tomorrow. So good night, and I'll see you in the morning. Good morning, Yins. Marcus hates when I say that. So does my grandma. But day one of Snowmageddon. But look, guys, literally Snowmageddon. Snowmageddon. You can't really tell, I guess, like looking outside right here, how much snow it is. I'd say we've gotten at least 6 inches already. And it's still falling. It's supposed to snow all day. Our daughter's calling. I didn't talk to you, I don't think, at all today. It is Monday, January 28th. 26th, I'm pretty sure, 25th or 26th. I don't know where my phone is, so I can't tell you the exact date, but it is Monday. I just finished baking my cookies, and actually, I didn't get to take you guys down, but I walked down to my neighbor's house and I took them some cookies just to thank him for constantly shoveling our drive, and it was just so sweet, and they're like 60 plus years old. We'll see you in the morning. What's up, you guys? Oh my goodness, I haven't talked to you in so long. The kids have been sick this entire week, so I've literally just been working and taking care of the children. It is Monday now, February, I don't even know, 7th or 8th. I think it's the 8th. It's Monday, February the 8th. My boyfriend's still at work. I'm washing clothes right now. The kids and I came home so that we could use the bathroom and stuff. We're gonna go grab the rest of the clothes, and then I have flowers that I want to give my boyfriend's mom, and him and I are gonna go to dinner tonight. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm excited, but it is freezing out here. It's freezing. I've missed you guys so much. I've been vlogging like on and off, so haven't really had time to sit down and talk with you guys, but I do miss vlogging. I do miss just talking to the camera. So I'm excited for tonight. The kids and I have we've had a day. I feel like we've been everywhere. I've been driving literally everywhere, so I'm gonna be happy once I don't have to drive anymore. But yeah, I'll update you guys once, I don't know. I'll update you guys again soon. I really hate that I give
Whoa, what is this? I'm sorry.
Right? Not the clean version.
Yeah, no, we don't do that. Shit.
Thank you. Tell her hi. Thank you. Have a good night. I'm sorry. Hi, guys. Honestly, we're gonna sit at the bar. I don't need to like sit at a table or anything. Ready to eat. You guys, I found a hair in my food.